Hello everyone. My seminar topic is a stable multivibrator using IC555. A multivibrator is a circuit with regenerative feedback which produces a pulsed output. The multivibrator is of three basic types. One is astable multivibrator and monostable multivibrator and bistable multivibrator. Astable multivibrator it does not have any stable states because it keeps changing with its state from low to high and high to low. This multivibrator is also called as free running multivibrator or rectangular wave generative circuit. We can call by these two names. Astable multivibrator does not require any external trigger pulse to change the state of the output, whereas monostable multivibrator requires an external trigger pulse to change the state of the output. The circuit diagram for the astable multivibrator is as shown here. Here two comparators are used. One is upper comparator and lower comparator, and the output of these comparators is connected to the flip-flop, and the flip-flop's output is connected to the discharge transistor. And there are three transistors used which are of 5 kilo ohms, where they act as voltage divider circuit which help in setting the voltage to the comparator. One that is 2/3 VCC is connected to the threshold part of the upper comparator, and 1/3 VCC is connected at the trigger part of the lower comparator. And in addition to it, there are two resistors RA and RB and one additional capacitor. 2 IC555 trimer is used to get the astable multivibrator. And in order to understand the working of this astable multivibrator, the time duration is divided into the T on and T off. Now, the circuit operation is divided into two time intervals T on and T off. Now on time operation. At T equal to 0, the voltage on the capacitor Vc is 0. The same capacitor voltage is applied to both the trigger point of the lower comparator and threshold point of the upper comparator. As the capacitor voltage Vc is 0, where Vc is less than 1/3 VCC, the output of the lower comparator goes high, that is Q bar will be 1 and Q naught will be 0. This causes the T to go off, and the capacitor starts charging through series resistor RA and RB. When capacitor voltage reaches 2/3 VCC, on time is terminated. This is on time operation. Off time operation. As soon as the Vc exceeds 2/3 VCC, the upper comparator, the output goes high and it will set the SR flip-flop, that is S to 1 and R to 0. And the output Q will be 1 and Q bar will be 0. This will turn on the transistor T and the output at pin number 3 and it goes low. Now the capacitor discharges through RB and through the transistor T. The discharge time TD, and it depends on the value of RB and C. When the capacitor voltage Vc is equal to 1/3 VCC, lower comparator output goes high. This process of charging and discharging is continuous, and hence the circulate oscillate. The schematic diagram and the waveforms are as shown in the above figure. In this waveform, this is 1/3 VCC. It is high until it reached 2/3 VCC. Once it reached 2/3 VCC, the capacitor discharged, and by the time the voltage reaches at 2/3, we can see the output of the device goes low until the capacitor discharges at 1/3 VCC. It will turn on and this cycle repeats. This is called the voltage of the capacitor, and this is the output of the multivibrator. And this is astable multivibrator. Astable is called because none of the state are stable. It will remain stable at particular time. It is not stable The output voltage waveform is the sum of charging and discharging periods, that is Tc and Td of the capacitor. Period of one cycle is T equal to Tc plus Td. Frequency can be written as F equal to 1 by Tc plus Td. Voltage across charging capacitor is given by Vc equal to Vcc into 1 minus e power t by Rc. If there is some initial voltage present, the voltage expression of the capacitor charges and it is given by Vc equal to Vf plus Vi minus Vf into e by e to the power t by Rc, where Vf is final voltage on capacitor and Vi is initial voltage on capacitor. During charging time Tc, the initial voltage on the capacitor is Vi equal to 1 by 3 Vcc and final voltage Vf is equal to Vcc. Also, charging takes place through both Ra and Rb. The above expression becomes 2 by 3 Vcc equal to Vcc plus 1 by 3 Vcc minus Vcc into e power Tc by Ra plus Rb into C. Now the T-on condition will be Tc equal to 0.693 into Ra plus Rb into C. From discharging waveform, we can note that the capacitor discharges from 2 by 3 Vcc to 1 by 3 Vcc and can be expressed as 1 by 3 Vcc is equals to 0 plus 2 by 3 Vcc minus 0 into e power Td by Rb into C. So the T off condition, that is Td is equals to 0.693 Rb into C. Hence the total period T is given by T on plus T off. T is equals to 0.693 into Ra plus 2 Rb into C. Frequency is given by 1 by T. 1 by T becomes 1 by 1 by T 1.44 divided by Ra plus 2 Rb into C. Now duty cycle, that is percentage D is equals to on time divided by total time into 100. Now if we calculate the duty cycle will be Ra plus Rb divided by Ra plus 2 Rb into 100. Now applications of the stable multivibrator is square wave oscillator or generator, schematic trigger using IC 555, voltage controlled oscillator.